smaller, they filled it in a little bit. Was it a sinkhole?
Hey, good morning everybody. We're in Hululang at the moment, Batu 14, and currently I'm waiting for the rest of the gang who is actually coming right from KLCC. So they'll be coming up Bukit Hantu, and I decided not to start from them because that means I had to drive a fair bit just to start with them. So I'm here at Batu 14 waiting for them, and we're gonna head up Hantu. We're gonna go up Perez, and then we're gonna go down to Chennah and to TT. It's gonna be a beautiful day because you know what? It's not that hot today. It's looking really cloudy, and I'm really looking forward to going down to Chennah because I have not been there since over a year ago. All right, catch you guys in a bit. It's always terrible. Andy, you have a mutiny.
Okay, it's a democracy. Have a vote. Vote.
Yeah, but we can do 50k. We can do 45 50k now. Alex and Bruno.
The second puncture that Sean had, he left his skewer on the roadside, and then when he got the grab back to Shoutout, he had to send the grab driver back to get his skewer. Cost him another 50 ringgit.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, it's cheaper than buying new skewer, I think.
Yeah, that's definitely cheaper than buying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So fair play.
Yeah.
But still.
Especially if you go to some bike shop.
Still.
Poor mistake to make.
Is that all you did?
That's all I'm going to tell you.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. Part 2 coming soon.
Yeah.
Hantu.
Been riding much? I've been trying to ride.
Beautiful morning.
You're not stopping for a photo there?
Good.
Hey?
Photo? No photo? No, guess not.
Over it.
Nope. Apparently not. Morning! Yeah, I'm filming. Hats off, mate.
Should have only thrown it at the top, fair play. That's nice, sorry.
Yeah.
Alright, come on then.
So what's the plan? We go down to Chennah. All right.
Decide at Chennah whether to loop
Or just
or whatever.
stop there. Okay. Is there anything that we need to look at? Because I've not been here in a year.
Yeah, so we take the left.
No, is there anything on the road, damages or whatnot?
Yeah, around one corner there's a big hole, so you need to go around every corner really slow.
It's gonna drop me on the corner.
And you'll do that anyway.
It's fine. There's one little section that's got a bit of sand.
Nah, it's alright. It's pretty clean.
Where's he going? Oh, okay. It's gonna piss.
left at the first Chennah turn.
Yeah. So down to the village.
Yeah, right. I'll stop.
Is there anything open?
Beautiful. I haven't been down here in years. Yeah. Road's becoming smaller because, well, it's not been in use. Now close to a year. Look at that. Forest is taking back. Oh! I wasn't expecting that. Yeah. No, I wasn't expecting the road to be that bad. I didn't know. I was about to bomb it.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, maybe we should have warned the others.
They need water.
Oh, we need one down Chennah. Off here. So we can go there? Yeah.
Let's race to Chennah.
Hey, Ralph.
Huh?
Chennah.
Then Chennah, we might go to Titi, see how we feel.
Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. Get my lovely ass in it. Yeah.
I always forget how big this little section is. There's a fair few little climbs on it.
The hilltops are gone.
It's 20 degrees.
No, it's not.
Feels like it.
It's 27.
Is it?
Yeah. There's no sun, that's why. Doing? No, I don't have any food with you.
But, you know, she knows her method. You know, looks after her properly.
Fair play.
Yeah.
What are they doing then? Is it trying to root out? Are they rooting water?
No, I think the whole road collapsed, so they just have to rebuild the whole foundation.
There seems to be a the foundation of the road isn't that deep.
I don't know.
The foundation of the road is only like a metre, 2 metres that you can see from here.
Yeah.
So it looks like they're rechanneling water underneath.
Maybe.
That was a big size already.
Better get it done quickly before monsoon starts.
Yeah. It's washing all the way again. Such a nice place.
What? Couple gravel riding today. Holy sh! That's a deep hole. Oh, it's muddy. Oh yeah! Whew. That's not too bad. Was that it? Nice, we can ride through it. Save my cleats a bit.
Hey!
Hey, that's you.
Oh,
That's you, that's not you.
Oh, yeah, we thought it was you.
That's fat me. Sorry, I didn't mean that.
Load.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, that's large me. That's me in 5 years.
We all got like beige shoes on today.
Well, these things, they just go beige, don't they?
Yeah, no.
Oh no, these ones are white. Mine are white.
Yeah, because you hardly use them, right?
I know, yeah, they are. Well, literally, I had to run upstairs and get these because I didn't realise that those ones
Yeah.
have got my Favero pedals on the bottom. So I started.
What's wrong with the Favero pedals? It's not Shimano.
No, they're different. My Faveros are look.
I thought they came out with the.
They do, but the offset is too big. So the offset for the Shimano ones is 0.5 mm more than the Faveros, the Lux.
Nah.
It's not one of ours, is it?
Nope. No idea where they are. Probably way back.
Way back,
I
they'll
had
be
that-
way back.
that
Might
was
not
the-
see them again.
That
No.
was the first cycling kit I ever bought, the Livestrong one. Fake from China.
Yeah.
And then I bought a Paffa kit.
A puffer kit.
Paffa. Rafa, but not from China.
Puffer.
So I called it Paffa.
Well, when you were here, when you were in UK.
Not in the UK.
Ah.
I couldn't afford the proper kit. So, and I'd only just got into it, and so I thought I'll try this. It's a lot cheaper.
Yeah.
And then you turn up at the club, and then they'll obviously.
Yeah. I wish they had Decathlon when we started cycling.
Yeah, and they
Pretty
did, but
good stuff, the Van Riesel.
Yeah.
It looks quite smart.
I got the jacket as well for.
like, it's a lifetime guarantee.
Ah, I'm
Yeah.
not surprised.
Lifetime guarantee. Anything breaks, we take it back. It's so bad. And I think I weighed about 75 kilos at the time. So pasty white, not a clue. Having a cup of tea in transition.
Still alive?
It creates a sound as he comes past, doesn't it? Oh, here they come.
Is that all of them? No.
Yeah.
Alex is not here.
Hello, Alex. Probably
Alex
taken.
probably crashed.
Oh man, no, please don't.
Alex.
How's everyone?
Okay.
Okay. Where's Alex?
Why did you stop here? Fucking stinks. But there's shade. Come on.
Ah.
Big table for us.
Oh.
Big table.
Woo.
Okay, very hot.
Oh yeah. I'm so happy that I only have what 8k to go.
You only have 8k.
Then I will enjoy the comforts of my air conditioning. You guys got one last climb.
Is that Bruno or Andrew?
Yes, please. How many? Molly? 1, 2.
Well, bring 2 more. We'll share this. Unless you want the whole one.
Alex, drop back. Yeah? No, don't worry about it.
Oh, is that what you told her?
As I was last one, I didn't know.
That's Alex. I just went. You're too.
Oh my, that was so good. I mean, seriously, almost the entire morning we had no cars on the road whatsoever. Up Perez, well, you've seen it on my last video, it's not too bad. Some construction still there, the road is pretty decent, better than Sumpah obviously. Then when you reach the top, that's the massive boulders in the middle of the road, because they don't allow traffic to flow through yet, but you as a cyclist can go through, and the descent from the top of Perez all the way down to Kampung Chennah is absolutely amazing, because it's basically an empty piece of road with, I don't know, I didn't see a single car. There was probably one motorbike on the road, that was it. There is, however, one stretch where there's basically a beach on the road. It's just sand, so you just gotta really be careful, especially when you come down. Brake and just take it easy there. Nothing too worried about, it's just a little bit of sand. Now, I'm stuck in a jam. I hate this. I think I gotta start from Kajang next time. Park in Kajang instead. It's just ridiculous. GPS says it takes me an hour to go home now. It took me 20 minutes to get here in the morning. I mean, oh well. Hopefully with the new highway that will change everything, but who knows, we'll see. Finally back home. That took an hour. So exhausting. Driving, actually. Riding's not exhausting. Driving is. Anyway, catch you guys in the next one.